Hello and welcome to my Python challenge video series. Here I'm working through some challenges that have been designed for absolute beginners to Python programming and showing some model answers to the challenges. I'm not teaching any Python in these videos because I've just released a beginner's Python programming course. You can find the link for that in the description to this video. Let's take a look at the challenge. Okay, so the last challenge in getting started is called To the Moon Challenge because it's more challenging than all of the others. And it's called Simple Interest Calculator. So it says, write a Python program that calculates and prints the simple interest for a given principal amount, interest rate, and time period. The formula for calculating simple interest is simple interest is equal to the principal amount times the rate times time divided by 100. So prompt the user to enter the principal amount, prompt the user to enter the interest rate per annum, prompt the user to enter the time period in years, calculate the simple interest using the provided formula, print the calculated simple interest. Make sure to use appropriate casting to convert user input to the required data types. Okay, so let's tackle this challenge. So my first variable is going to be called principal. And that's going to be equal to float. And I'm going to get some input. So the prompt will be enter the principal amount, just like that. And then I need a variable, let's just space this out a bit, interest rate. I need to get the interest rate as an input. So that's also going to be a float. So we use input and then we say, enter the interest rate per annum. And now we have time period. So we need to get that as an input as well. That's going to be an int. And we'll just write a simple prompt. We'll say enter the time period in years. Okay, now we need to calculate the simple interest. So we're going to create a new variable, simple interest. And let's look at the formula again. Okay, so simple interest is the principal times the rate of interest times the time divided by 100. Okay, so we're going to copy the principal variable here, paste that in, multiply by. We'll get the interest rate here. And we multiply by the time period. And then outside brackets, we're going to divide by 100. Now we just need to print the result. So we'll say the simple interest to be paid is, and then we can just copy the simple interest variable and paste it in there. Okay, let's save and run. So I'm going to put 5,000, 4.66, and let's borrow over 5 years. So it says the simple interest to be paid is 1165. So there we have a simple interest calculator in Python.